Okay, question number 2 is asking us to find the displacement measure in meters of a particle after 5 seconds. So if we look at the graph, the particle is starting at 2 and it is going up until 10 at 4 seconds. So this is time and this is the velocity. And at 4 seconds, when it reaches 10, it begins to stabilize. And this, we can say, 1 minute. We can say this is 8 seconds. Okay, so in order to find the displacement at 5 seconds, what we can do is find the area. This is 5 seconds. Find the area of this rectangular box here. Find the area of this rectangle. And find the area of this triangle. And once you find the area of those 3 shapes, you add the areas together, and that number will give you the displacement. So, in order to find the area of the 2 rectangles, you need to multiply the length times the width. So, for the first triangle, we have 4 times 2. This rectangle right here, which is 8. For this rectangle here, we have 1 times 10, which is 10. Now we need to find the area of this triangle. So we will need to do base times height over 2 to find the area of the triangle. So we have 8 times 4 over 2, which is 16. So if we take 8 plus 10, these two are the area of the 2 rectangles we solved before, plus 16, which is the area of the triangle, we will get 34 meters. And this is the displacement of the particle after 5 seconds.